Hedera's MetaVerses versus the Utherverse. The term metaverse refers to digital worlds that combine elements of augmented and virtual reality. The internet, gaming, art, culture, and social networking, all of which are enabled by digital assets and distributed networks. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are essential in the metaverse because they allow users to prove ownership of their characters, in-game objects, and virtual land. In this video, we're comparing two of the best solutions to create your own metaverse, the technology they implement, the history and team behind different platforms, their investments in the Web3 industry, and how they generate revenue. If you're someone who wants to build your own metaverse, there are two ways, one more difficult than the other. The hard way is to create it from scratch, from choosing your metaverse's proper use case to designing your platform's user interface, coding operational smart contracts, and creating the interplanetary file system, which is distributed file storage protocol that allows computers all over the globe to store and serve files as part of a giant peer-to-peer network, making the metaverse database, developing the core AI and VR functionalities, and more. The easy way is to use a platform with all the necessary technology to run a metaverse, almost like creating a website using pre-created templates. This is for people who don't want to or don't know how to create a whole network with all of the infrastructure required to run it, with endless miles of telephone lines and fiber optic cable, aside from all the database development involved. There are two platforms in particular, Hedera and Uthaverse, that allow you to create your metaverse and manage it according to your vision and needs. However, before choosing which platforms to use, you must understand a few points about each. Let's start by reviewing the technology involved. First, Hedera. The H-Bar Foundation and Metaverse collaboration was established with the objective of expanding career opportunities in the metaverse. Hedera is a publicly distributed ledger that operates on hashgraph technology. Hashgraph is a data structure that maintains the records of transactions. Participants can add and share information, which validates transactions much faster than a typical blockchain. The Hedera network, which claims to be the first public distributed ledger network suitable for large business security and stability requirements, is joining the cryptocurrency-fueled frenzy over virtual worlds, aiming to create an enterprise metaverse. The H-Bar Foundation, which provides funds to Hedera network developers, has formed the partnership with Metaverse, a web-based 3D creative platform to assist in the development of metaverse-related products. Builders may use Metaverse's no-code technology to create digital and interactive experiences. Its usage of the Hedera network allows the asset it starts to be owned and exchanged across the builder's preferred marketplaces and platforms. The Utherverse, on the other hand, is a metaverse platform that allows developers to create interconnected virtual worlds. It offers users hyper-realistic immersive experiences, as well as chances for businesses to sell and monetize their products and services. Brian Schuster, an internet visionary, founded the Utherverse's platform in 2005. Next year, an open beta version of the next-generation Utherverse platform is planned to be released. The platform has served over 50 million users and processed over 32 billion virtual commerce transactions. Utherverse owns over 40 patents that are essential for the operation of large-scale metaverses. The company's headquarters are in British Columbia, Canada. Now let's review the history and teams behind these projects. Hedera Network is owned and administered by the world's leading corporations, according to Hedera's website, which includes Google, LG Electronics, and the Singapore bank DBS, to name a few. In a news statement, Metaverse's co-founder Alan Smithson stated, "The metaverse represents the future of human communication, collaboration, and commerce. We see this entire metaverse space as a kind of a catch-all for apps bringing in new users into the Web3. Alex Russman, vice president at the H-Bar Foundation, then went on to say, "I believe that 2021 was the year of NFTs, and 2022 is the year of their enterprise applications." The CEO of Utherverse, Brian Schuster, is an internet pioneer and has developed many core enabling technologies. He's an author and speaker and is frequently interviewed on the future of the internet. Schuster is the founder and current CEO of Utherverse, a metaverse platform that enables developers to build interconnected virtual worlds, provides hyper-realistic immersive experiences for consumers, and opportunities for companies to market and monetize their products and services. Many of the technologies developed by Schuster are now widely used by almost all internet companies. He has more than 100 patents and pending patents on core internet technologies, such as internet operations and advanced advertising modalities. The Electronic Frontier Foundation has named several of these patents among the top 10 patents whose technology is most critical to the operation of the internet. Their economics and how these projects generate revenue. The HBAR Foundation, which has a market cap of more than $1.3 billion, drives the expansion of the Hedera ecosystem by offering grants, marketing, and business development to developers, businesses, and organizations based on the Hedera network. The Foundation's website states that it has an initial budget of 5.35 billion HBAR tokens, which is currently valued at approximately $2.5 billion. According to a blog post by the project, Hedera focuses mainly on enterprise usage and offers 10,000 transactions per second, as well as low fees. The public network has executed over 1.75 billion transactions since its launch in 2018. The Metaverse Fund targets business-to-consumer and business-to-business-to-consumer projects that Hedera hopes will bring users into Web3 and its ecosystem, focusing on gaming and virtual worlds, consumer brands and collectibles, sports and fan engagement, and enterprise metaverse, according to a recent press release. In 2005, Schuster turned his attention to virtual reality and created the world's first and one of the most popular networks of the virtual worlds, the Utherverse network. He's now CEO of Utherverse Digital Inc., which owns and operates a network of more than 1 million interconnected virtual worlds, has served more than 50 million users since its launch, and logged more than 32 billion virtual commerce transactions. The total cumulative revenue of Utherverse's company is approximately $100 million. Custom metaverse building services, the Utherverse token, NFT sales, and a variety of business verticals such as advertising and marketing, shopping and retail, conference and conventions, education, dating, lifestyle, casino, gaming, VIP experiences, and virtual offices generate revenue for Utherverse. The term metaverse did not become popular until Facebook changed its corporate name to Meta in October 2021. At the time, the company announced plans to invest $10 billion in innovations over the next year to achieve its vision of the metaverse. The metaverse is considered the next step in the evolution of the internet. It will take place in various ways, including games, online communities, and business meetings in which people collaborate using a digital character or avatar of themselves. In the coming years, the metaverse will be integrated into each industry because the next step in our digital evolution is metaverse. Every individual who wants to will be able to own a virtual world through their preferred metaverse platform. Now that you know a couple of the options to build your own metaverse, it's up to you to choose which one is best for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to stay up to date and to be the first to watch the coming videos and for more crypto, Web3, NFT, and Metaverse updates and news.